I'm so shaky. There's a wild cat in the prairie. Ah! And it's attacking. Look at this. Look at that wild beast. Oh no. We do not know where it went. Apparently I'm British or Australian or something. Where's the cat?
I don't know.
There's a shoe. That's a wild shoe. Oh my god! A wild cat attack. Only here you see this. Wild. That's my leg. This is very dangerous. There's a hand and it... Only here where you see this scary cat. It's too dark for comfort. Hey. Oh. What do they usually say on Discovery Channel? And the wild animal attacks its prey?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the word.
It attacks its predator. No, it's prey. Why are you under there? Come here. Ah! Come here. Ow, ow. It has me by the hand. Oh, there's a fluffy. Why can you not zoom in? Seriously.
Because your iPod is ghetto.
That cat got air. I see your legs. Oh shoot, I missed that one. And this has been going for 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Ooh.
Get your towel.
Oh, cat. Kitty. If they're still watching this, I'm really in love with them.
You're in love with a lot of people.
I am so in love with people. I almost called your cat Sammy again. Don't eat the wood. Oh, it looks like she was.
Sorry, kitty.
Did you hear her? This is Artemis, and she's a wild breed of calico mutt thing. Cuteness, yes. And, yeah. Should I tell them this to
Ouch! She got my finger.
Oh, that's what you get. Should I tell them to subscribe to our craziness?
I lost a feather.
Is that a yes? Subscribe to our craziness if you enjoy the wild Artemis. Thank you and goodbye.